Guys, today's July 4th, 2019. Canobie Lake Park. It's the double-decker carousel update. This ride's still not done yet. I know I said it might be done by the 4th of July, but today's the 4th, so I think this ride might be done at least like another few weeks away. Right now they're doing the concrete right now. So there's an update right here. The foundation is done. So then they just have to put the new ride in.
Oh, me van a hacer algo también aquí. ¿Sabes? También está derecho.
So this is the new concrete. See, they put the light poles up. So this is a new foundation. Still not done yet. Still doing work on the fountain.